How to uninstall Microsoft Edge from Windows 10 completely. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. You won't find option to delete Microsoft Edge in Windows, so go to Microsoft Store and then download Wise Program Uninstaller. It looks like this. After you download Wise Program Uninstaller, scroll down till you find Microsoft Edge. Click on Microsoft Edge. You will find Force Uninstall option. Click on Force Uninstall and Microsoft will be uninstalled forcefully. And you won't find Microsoft Edge on your device. This is how to uninstall Microsoft Edge from Windows 10 completely. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.